To use SmartView on a Samsung TV, the process involves two main phases: activating SmartView on the TV and pairing a phone with the TV for mirroring. Initially, the TV's settings must be accessed, and from there, the general option should be selected. Within the general display, the external connection manager can be found, and subsequently, the device connection manager should be chosen. The next step is to proceed to the device list, where the desired device for mirroring can be selected, and its status changed to Allow. Once SmartView has been enabled on the TV, the phone can be paired for mirroring. This is achieved by swiping down the top bar on the phone's screen and selecting SmartView. The TV to be mirrored should then be chosen, and the Start Now button tapped from the SmartView interface on the phone. Finally, the Allow option should be selected on the TV to initiate mirroring. The process of using SmartView on a Samsung TV is relatively straightforward, involving these simple steps to establish a successful connection.